Hello and welcome to the Cart Lock app tutorial series from KlinKode. Today we'll show you how to block shipping or pickup for specific products in Shopify. There are many ways to block shipping or pickup for specific products. In this video, we will show you how to block one or more products using product tags. Here we can see that a wholesale tag has been added to the Snow Bear product. Let's open the Cart Lock app. Click the Create Rule button. You will see several rule types here. Use the search box to find your specific conditions and see which rule type contains it. Then you should select the matching rule type to continue setting up your rule. In this video, we'll use the product tags and delivery types conditions. First, we'll search for product tags. Then we'll search for delivery types in the search bar. After searching, we'll see which rule type the product tags and delivery types conditions belong to, Essential 1 or Essential 2. Since both conditions are included in Essential 1, we will choose Essential 1, select this rule to continue. Click on the Add a Condition button under the Rules and Conditions section. Now scroll through the list and select Product Tags. You can also search for it. Searching is easier, so I will use the search option. For this example, we choose Block if found and enter the product tags we want. Here we add the tag Wholesale. Next, we add another condition, Delivery types. We select If found and enter Ship. This means any product with the Wholesale tag, along with customers selecting shipping methods, will be blocked from checkout. Now, we will add a proper error message for the customers like, shipping isn't available for this product. Only pickup is available. Then, click the Save button to apply your rule. Let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, the error message is displayed at the top of the checkout page, so the customer can't place the order, and the order completion is fully blocked. This happens because this product was assigned the wholesale tag that we added earlier, and we selected shipping methods. Customers will still be able to click the Pay or Complete Order button at the bottom and express checkout buttons, like PayPal or Google Pay, but the payment will not be completed. Let's try to place the order by clicking on the Complete Order button at the bottom. As expected, the order was not accepted. Now, we'll choose Pickup instead of Shipping, and then check again. Greater than, as you can see, the error message is gone, so now the customer can place the order again. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the Cart Lock app. Happy selling!